안녕하세요 여러분, Camilla here. Today I'll be answering the question, how do you say just a moment in Korean? There are two ways you can say this phrase. You can say either 잠시만요 or 잠깐만요. Both phrases can also mean please hold on for a second. 잠깐만요 is also often used to get someone's attention in an informal and casual way. You might use this as a way to say, excuse me, when you are trying to ask people to move aside. For example, if you are on the subway and you would like people to move so you can get off, you can say 잠깐만요. When do you think you will use these phrases? Let us know in the comments below. Bye for now.